friends, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're out bright and early once again for our day 4 here in Taiwan. Today, we're chasing flavors, exploring iconic spots, and wrapping up the night somewhere truly magical. So come along as we uncover hidden tastes, stunning views, and moments that feel like a story coming to life. First things first, we can't start any adventure with an empty stomach. Tucked in a quiet alley was a tiny shop with steam curling out of stacked bamboo baskets. The scent of broth and fresh dough were drifting into the air. It was simply calling our names. The dumplings here were incredible. Delicate wrappers, rich broth, and perfectly seasoned filling. One of the best xiaolong baos I've ever tasted. You don't believe us? Try it out for yourselves at Tang Bao Hung. It has 2 branches as I recall, but you can look it up on Google Maps to see which one will be nearer to you.
First bite. Ba't may red? Original. Wait, mainit. Mainit.
First bite. Walo? Sarap. Sarap naman.
Dito ulit tayo
pwede bang i-reheat? Ako sa garlic talaga.
Masarap. Masarap kahit anong gawin mo.
Guys, 10 out of 10.
Kinuha mo yung chopsticks. 10 out of 10. Guys, you should try it.
Okay lang pumilang. Deserve ang bilang.
Listen up, guys. This is the best xiaolong bao I've ever tasted so far.
In your life?
So far.
I agree.
The garlic flavor. Kung 10-10 na yung original, 11 tong garlic.
With
For
sauce?
some reason.
Without?
With or without. Hindi masyadong,
kahit anong gawin mo.
hindi masyadong malakas yung, hindi masyadong flavorful naman yung sauce. Unti lang yung nilagay natin eh. Pero yung garlic talaga, as in, garlic. We're here at around 6 a.m. Wala pa masyadong tao. So,
Although it's a Monday.
oh yeah, it's a Monday. Pero nung mga unti lang, mga ilang minutes after, nagdagtaan na yung mga tao. So, original is 120 NTD, tas 150 NTD yung garlic. Go for the garlic. So, we just finished our breakfast.
Day is off to a good start.
Ang sarap. Sayang, I'm still trying to figure out how can I bring it to the Philippines and let my family taste it. Kasi ganun siya ka-worth it. Kailangan niya na i-steam, tapos kailangan i-refrigerate for 5 days. Pero, guys,
Feasible ba? Abangan sa next part ng
babalik kami dyan. You guys really have to try it out.
2 stations away from Ximen.
Yeah, hindi kami pumunta dun sa isang branch nila na sit-down restaurant. Kasi mas malapit to. Pero ito, take out, hindi. May dine-in, pero standing lang. Tapos limited lang yung table space. As in 2. 2 table spaces lang. Pero mostly for take out kasi siya. Guys, tulungan nyo ako mag-isip. Paano ko siya iuwi? Since it was still early, we wandered over to Ximending for more snacks, but it was silent. Shops were still closed, some was just opening, but then we stumbled upon an unmanned photo booth. The idea was you just drop in your cash, strike a pose, and let the printer do its thing. Very random, unexpected, yet so much fun. A small memory I'd do again and again in a heartbeat. But after that, we were just right on time to head to Taipei Main Station to meet our tour group for today's adventure. We booked our tour group Klook using our promo code. Just kidding. We don't have one yet, so make sure to subscribe and share this with all your friends and family. So good morning. I haven't officially started the vlog yet, but we are currently at Taipei Main Station. We are currently waiting for our Klook tour. We booked a North Coast tour via Klook, so I'll post the prices or everything in the description box, or I will insert the budget by the end of the video as always. But I just want to say how much I admire the Taipei Main Station design or interior. It has a kind of a steampunk design. Right now, while waiting, Cam and I are looking for stamps, of course, for our journals. And yeah, basta pag nagugutom kayo, though right now it's 9 AM, close pa halos lahat ng restaurants dito. Pero may mga onting open. So, if gutom na kayo, tas maaga din yung inyong tour, maybe you can check it out. Pero yung mga convenience store open. Pero eto, may stamps here.
Ate, ang dami pala sa Shanghai shirt. Like,
Joke lang. Hindi lang pala dun sa Taipei Main kami. Mag-iikot pala kami ng buong platforms. Ito yung mga nasa Taipei Main, guys. So, go find them. Maghanap pa kami more. Naka-fun pass pala kami. But I haven't consulted yet.
just come and look for
Okay.
me. Okay, see you later.
Okay, see you later.
Thank you.
Bakit sa speaker? Ito, ay, pinagkait.
the first destination will be Yale Drill Park.
Okay.
Because land
We
is
already-
included over there, so it's different structure.
Also the entrance fee.
Yes.
Okay.
You just showed it to them.
Yes. You're going to
Thank
skip.
you.
Okay, thank you.
It's 120 per person.
Sa
Yelyu entrance fee. Plus 65 talaga. 65 NTD for senior citizen. Pero since we have a fun pass, it's free. Well,
I mean, not really, pero ngayon free na kasi
Okay.
bayad na siya last week.
it gets girl math. Girl math. Okay guys, bumili kami ng mga food sa Family Mart. Try namin. The first is this one. This is a pork sauce. Grilled beef with pork at may baboy. Pork.
Barbecue sauce.
Grilled beef with sweet barbecue sauce. Let's try it.
Taray, may
Okay, you first. Ano to, rice? Yeah. Parang fried. May toyo. Totoo. Wala ka na kopong. Pero masarap. Wala na ako nakain.
May seaweed, hindi pa natutong. Ikaw naman.
Roasted. Masarap na.
May smoky.
Gusto ko, hindi ko pa naabot yung meat part. Ako din. Baka, pero yung rice naman masarap na.
Ayan. Meat part.
May sayaw sa
Na something. Yeah. Na may sauce.
Wait, kung pala siya. Parang barbecue.
Ito sauce.
Masarap.
This was, how much was this? 49.
49 MTD. Sarap.
Mga 8, mga 90 pesos.
I'll give that a 9.
Ako din 9.
Tingin niyo ha.
Family Mart.
Ay,
Mahulog ah.
oh, di ba wala kayo nakita?
Balik na lang kayo sa kanina. Kasi hindi naman ganun.
Inuutusan niyo. Okay, next isa pa.
Wait, hindi na pinubusog.
Buong araw habang kumakain tayo na. Huwag ako dito.
Okay. Next one. Yung may microwave mo na.
Yeah.
Puro kanin lang to guys. Kasi kumain kami.
Ay, wala. Yung hamburger.
Wait, nakikita si Jackie.
Ay,
Nakapagod ako.
hamburger. Hamburger patty with curry sauce. Okay.
Pero may rice siya.
What is tsaka egg ito? Ano to cheese?
Ito pala. Curried rice served on its own. With what? With something. With steak?
Yan.
Basta Family Mart guys, pag may ganitong blue. Family
What?
Mart. Oo, blue.
Ah, okay. Family market.
Okay, susukan lang.
Hindi pa open.
May butas lang.
Ah, okay.
Dito na lang sa... Ay, ito 79 pala. Yung presyo. Or 62. Ano ba to ginagag?
Sa lahat ng binili namin, 2,200.
Makanin lang siya.
Yeah, so far. Okay.
Oh, ito.
Yun look so far.
Hindi mo na lang ako na lang muna.
Oh, andun ka agad yung meat. Okay.
Mga curry. Wala pang curry ako. Nasa light pa to. So, parang sa ito. Ay. May curry.
May
Sulit na.
settle lang. May hints lang
Sulit the first one better.
Yeah.
Pero, guys, mataba. Like,
Thick yung
hindi pinikit. Or baka naman, tingnan natin hanggang dulo. Pero hindi, so far hindi. May last bite.
they're so forgiving. 6 lang.
Ako mga 7.5. Parang mabubusog ako.
Kaya, nakakabuto. Pero,
Marami pa siya.
masyadong, dahil dun sa picture, nataas yung expectations ko.
Hindi ko alam paano tayo open.
Next
Di
is
ko kakaiba.
yung red salmon. Onigiri lang dito ba? Red salmon onigiri. Pull down this part. Pull down this part daw. Tapos, diba? Paano na yan? Dapat hindi siya matanggal. Ayan. Ayan na kayo.
Guys, the same lang sa 7-Eleven. Ganyan tayo.
Tiny pa lang. Nakasakon pa.
Lahat na kinakain natin kanin. Hanggang ulam na.
Nakakailang sa ulam daw na kasi kami.
Kanin lang.
So parang sa 7-Eleven sa atin.
The same lang.
Hindi. Konti lang yung laman. Yung feeling niya. The best yung number 1.
I agree. Wala na, no? Wala na. Sweet na to. Later na. Kanin mo na.
That was fast. So there was another line for the fun pass. Isa-scan lang nila to. Libre siya yung entrance. Pero if you don't have a fun pass, ibibigay nyo lang yung payment nyo dun sa tour guide nyo. Sila yung bibili ng ticket. So let's go to LU. Our first stop was Yelyu Geo Park. It is one of Taiwan's most famous natural attractions. It is famous for its bizarre rock formations sculpted by the wind and waves over 1,000 of years. Famous for the Queen Head, the mushroom rocks, and honeycomb weathering. Everything felt like we're walking on Mars. With our red hues and otherworldly shapes, it made it feel like we were filming a music video in a different planet. It was fun, surreal, but maybe one of those places you visit once and keep in your memory. Welcome to Yelyu. Magpipicture sila ate. Luis. Oh, tingnan mo. Ang sarap! Charis. Oh, ganda talaga na ito. Lupig.
Ganyan ang vlog ni Luis.
Oo
Ganyan
nga.
ang content niya.
Oo nga, alam ko. taking a bunch of photos, we were supposed to head back to our bus, but then we heard some shop owner yelling out, 50, 50, which was a Tagalog word for 50 pesos. It was a good strategy. We definitely bought a bunch from her.
You will see there's a railway connecting to all this Pingxi area. This is because in the old time we want to transfer the coal mine, so we will use the toll train to do so.
Na pinanood ko, yun sa mga discarded na lantern lang. Pinupulot ng, parang may law sila na kailangan pulutin ng mga vendors. Yung mga ganyan. So, sure naman daw, kaya dito sa area na to pinayagan yung yung mga lanterns na yun, kasi may clean up meron. Tapos yung mga rings daw nakasama, hindi na to nababurn. Binibenta daw nila yun sa market for 40 MTD ata, 14. So, pwede tayo benta na. Sorry.
Kasi nabasa ko na binabayaran daw yung lugas para pulutin. Iba pala. Yung rings pala yung iba.
Oo, yung rings yung bebenta. Kasi expected nila, di ba, masusunog lahat. Our next stop was Taiwan's Little Niagara, the Shifen Waterfall. It stands about 20 meters high and stretches 40 meters across, which is why it is the widest waterfall in the country. The falls are formed where the Keelung River drops over layered rocks, creating a dramatic curtain of water. On sunny days, the mist even creates small rainbows, making the view even more magical. So we're done with the waterfall. We're now looking around and going to be shopping for souvenirs. Hindi namin
Grabe, ang taas pala. Ang taas, hindi lang siya sa observation deck. Yun yung pinaka-start. Meron pang paakyat. Mas interesado kami sa jerky.
Sa jerky, sa mga keychain. So, eto na. Masarap yung jerky here. Ayun pala yan.
200. 3, 500.
Thank you. We're trying to follow our guide. She's very fast. But we have short legs. Hindi niya inaantay kung complete na. Basta, hanapin mo yung flag na orange.
Yay! We're flying some lanterns.
Yung susunod na gagawin na namin is magpalipad ng lantern. So, alam ko may mga magko-comment na kalat lang sila, pero it's the experience. And meron naman yung silang ano sinabi ko? May law sila na all vendors have to collect dung or yung clean yung mga discarded na mga lanterns. So, tas yung mga rims na naiwan sa mga lanterns, so, pinupulot talaga ng mga locals to resell here in the market for at least 40 MPD, I think. So yeah. So whatever you say, we're still trying the lanterns. Kasi it's an experience and minsan lang naman yun eh. And just let us be. See you when nandun na kami sa pagpapalipad. See you pag nahanap na namin yung aming tour guide. Next stop, as we just mentioned, is the Schiefen Old Street. Schiefen Old Street was a former mining town built around railway tracks that still cut right through the streets today. Here, releasing sky lanterns is a tradition. You'll write your wishes on your lanterns, then watch as they rise slowly into the sky, while trains occasionally rumble past it. It felt special, simple but very meaningful. It was such a fun experience and one I definitely love to share with my family next.
May ganun. Masarap.
Not same pero masarap. A different kind of picture. For only 40. Okay. Pick up! Ano naman yan? Nawindang ata kami. Ang dami na nangyari.
Nagtatagalog yung Taiwanese.
Ang cute nila. Ang gilagi. Ay, gilagi? Ligalig. Ang ligalig nila. Ang ligalig nila. Sobrang fun ng energy. Napalipad na namin. 2 lanterns kami. Since 4 kami. Tapos fun pass din yung ginamit namin.
Super fun pass. 2 fun pass, isa. Ay, 4 ka na.
Tapos, ano pong masasabi niyo, guys?
Hello! Sarap na lakay. Sarap na lantern.
Nalo. Pinalipad namin yung sausage.
Sarap magpalipad. Ganda na experience. You get to write your dreams. Papaliparin mo siya.
Tapos nababas ang sayo ni Kuya. May Pinoy na nakatingin sa sinusulat namin, nagko-comment.
Eh, masaya din. Ang bait-bait niya dun.
Bait siya. Pinapasaya nila. Pinapatawa kami.
Sinulat ko yung pangalan ni Harry Styles dun. So, pag magkatotoo daw yun, kailangan ko bumalik dito. Sabi hindi, sorry pa.
Gusto lang bumalik.
Para proof na totoo daw. Ito yung start ng love life namin ni Harry. Dito nagsimula lahat. Comments about our tour from Club.
Huwag lang sana kaming iwan ni tour guide. Pero, may pinuntahan. Kaya, feeling ko, we could have done more in each spot. Kasi, ang allotted time lang was 50 minutes to 1 hour, including the hike or the walk going to that place. So, as tour, I mean, I try it again.
Pero hindi siya yung makakapag-ikot ka pa. No? Pero sa dami din kasi ng tao, parang hindi mo na rin gugustuhin mag-ikot-ikot. But guys,
I'd rate it an 8 out of 10.
But guys, would you go back to Schiefen Old Street?
Siguro, yeah.
Diba?
Or lanterns.
Still on tour or?
No.
Norna, no?
Baka pwedeng din na si Jelyu. Jelyu pala.
Yeah.
Pwedeng diretso Lantern, tapos diretso Jufen.
Tapos kahit, what if private tour na lang, diba? Private tour. Medyo malayo rin siya if i-DIY. I tried looking paano mag-DIY na tour. Pero medyo complicated siya. Yung tipong Taipei pa nga lang, naliligaw-ligaw na kami. So, better at least may private car kayo papunta here. Wag na, okay na ako with the bus. Experience ko na siya. I don't need the rush ng tour. Mas pupunta na lang ako, mas chill lang, private car. So, yun. That's our thoughts on that. Una na.
Sa mochi. 12 pesos siya. How much? Maliliit. For 80 NTD. Then, ayan. Then, wow, informational video. Kaya, ang haba. Hindi nakitamot. Wait lang. Pause. Ayan. And then, 12 pieces. Maliliit lang. Tapos, masarap yung sesame. Mas bet ko yung sesame kesa sa matcha.
Wow, that's really big coming from her.
Oo nga eh. So, since very matcha girly to. Super.
Try na. Talaga habang naglalakad kasi.
So baka iwan na naman. Ay, hindi. Ito iwan. Di ba against the light?
Okay. Matcha yun. Matcha.
Tolerable. Yeah. For
Siya,
someone
hindi
na
siya
I don't
mahilig sa matcha. This one, sesame.
Better
Ito daw
na.
yung ni Jackie.
Better.
Oh, yeah.
Better.
Much better yung sesame. Buti na lang nagsesame tayo.
Serve.
Our day finally came to an end at Juven Old Street. It is a hillside town once known for its gold mining, but now very famous for its winding lanes and tea houses. It has narrow alleys lined with red lanterns that led us past shops after shops, selling traditional snacks, tea, and handmade souvenirs. The air here was filled with the scent of sweet taro balls and grilled treats as we walked back. Just as the night settled in, the glow of countless lanterns lit up the narrow lanes, casting warm light over the mountainside. Juven felt both timeless and cinematic. It was like stepping into living painting where every corner held a whisper of history and a little touch of magic. Strolling through its lantern-lit alleys was a slow but gentle pause after a day of flavors, sights, and lots of surprises. It felt like a perfect way to bring our North Coast adventure to a close.
Complete.
We're now back in Taipei. We were dropped off at Taipei MRT M3. Then we rode the MRT back to Ximen, and now we're here at a local diner having dinner. So, mag-recap lang kami kung how was the tour, guys. It was fun, pero
Ang dami ka.
ang daming crowded. Yeah, for a Monday, ang daming tao. Binook namin siya specifically on a weekday kasi we were hoping na onti lang yung tao. Pero nandun na paggabi, we were so wrong.
Ito, not so much on the first two spots. Well, sa first spot lang. Dun sa pangalawa, ang dami na rin. Lantern. Ito, na-appreciate ko yung lantern. And si Kuya, sobra.
Oo,
Nagtatagalog yung mga ano guys.
Yung mga nagtatagalog.
Kuha kilitin natin.
Totoo.
Natipan to.
Nabudol kami dun sa isang star sa... Yelyu pala. Yelyu pala. Nabudol na kami kasi sabi niya, sipay na. Alam mo, yun na kagad. Okay, sige. 5.
Agad sabi ko.
Joke lang. Sabi niya, 5, 200. So sabi ko kay Kai, pesos. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. Pero sobrang, yun lang, ang daming tao. Yung tour, enough naman if you're a first timer. Parang, na-experience mo din sa...
Hindi mahigpit. Kasi wala kayong sinusundan na tao. Parang hinahayaan kayo.
Oo, inayan ka lang niyang lumayo. Pero minsan, minsan,
Sa time.
pero gusto ko din sana yung may brief history ganyan.
On text. Meron naman.
Oo.
Meron naman.
Yeah,
Sa bus.
pero sa bus. Sa bus. Pero parang yung around na ganyan, wala na. Ikaw na bahala. Mahatid ka lang niya sa entrance. Tapos, okay, go, enjoy. Pero okay din naman. Ewan, basta, hindi siya perfect, pero masaya siya.
Yeah. Parang worth it naman.
Yeah, worth it naman. Now it's time for us to eat. The spicy beef noodles. Red braised, red braised noodles. What's this, Jackie? Sesame soybean paste and yung rib. Pork rib. So, solo na pork rib. This is a total of 575. Sorry. Yeah. And as the night deepened, we found ourselves stuck in a little shop, bowls of warm noodles in hand, a simple comfort after a day of chasing sights, flavors, and memories. This trip taught me that sometimes the true goal isn't just to see famous spots, it was to savor the quiet moments in between. Because in the end, it is this small, unplanned pauses that makes the journey unforgettable. Giving, ano yung black noodles natin?
Dadong lang.
Yeah.
Hindi, power.
So that's pretty much it for our day 4 here in Taiwan. Here is the total tally of our expenses. We didn't spend that much since again we were making use of our fun passes. So I totally recommend having a fun pass even on tours. But yeah, thank you again for watching. This is not the end of our Taiwan series, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes coming really soon.
Una na kami!
Na babae dito. Ayan siya. Nakakainis siya. Kala nila hindi na kami nakakaintindi ng Korean. Dami nilang sinasabi, hindi nila alam na iintindihan namin.
Hindi naman tayo mag-antay dito.
Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hindi alam kung pa-cute o pa-sexy eh. Bakit? Aray!
Ang ganda ng design ng Taipei Main Station. Not like all those, meron siya parang, I forgot the word eh. Yung punk style. Steampunk style. Hey guys, so we just finished taking lots of photos by the waterfall. We didn't went for the further hike since our legs won't. Nahirapan na ako, nawalan na ako ng English. Alright. Tulungan mo ako kami. Mag-vlog. That is the next agenda, is to let the lanterns fly.
Ay, lagay mo mag-jinky ate. Nalagay ko jinky. Okay, gawin mo lagi pangalan. Nakalagay ka ate Luz. Hindi, si Harris kasi baka mapunta sa inyo. Ate, maglalagay ka dun, di ba? Nagalagay? Oo, sige. Kasal.
Here. Dito. Say hello. Here. Together. 1, 2, 3. Bitaw. Dito.
Anyway, now we're on, anyway, we're now on our way back to the bus kasi we were given a time at least until 4:30. Yun yung maganda.
4:23.
Times painted. So we were expecting less people pero hindi. Ang dami. Punong-puno.
So medyo hectic. Medyo nakakakulas.
Yeah. Pero to be honest, I would go back.
Okay. I mean,
Naka-tour or DIY? I think private tour.
oo.
Now we're on our way home. Pressure talaga kaming ubusin yan. So yeah, we're on our way home. And that's basic. Now we're on our way. Wait lang. Now we're on our way back to the hotel. But that's basically it for day 4. Guys, una na kami.
guys pala.
We're just girls. Akala. We're just girls.